College is all about learning and growing, and it's also about making friends, learning leadership skills, and having fun. Middlesex offers a full range of student clubs, honor societies, community service opportunities, and athletics. Our 54 clubs allow you to meet people with similar interests and include the Music Club, Veterans Organization, Pokemon Go, Healthy Active Minds, and the Feminist Collective. Plus, many aimed at specific majors, such as Earth Science Club and the French Club. Don't see an organization you like? Start your own. Our honor societies are for those who excel academically and include the college-wide Phi Theta Kappa, plus those for languages, art, humanities, nursing, education, physics, and psychology. We are all part of the larger society, and learning more about it makes us better citizens. That's why many of our students are involved in community services such as beach cleanups, leading an after-school program, serving meals to the hungry, or reading to the kids in our childcare center. MCC also offers 14 sports for men and women, including soccer, cross country, volleyball, basketball, wrestling, baseball, softball, track and field, and golf. We have a winning tradition in many of these sports, and it's a wonderful way to continue your athletic career after high school. A number of our athletes have gone on to play at four-year colleges or universities, often receiving scholarships in the process.